At Powers Resource Center, we've spent years helping leaders and managers build trust, navigate tough conversations, and lead with impact. But what if those management skills weren't just taught in a workshop? What if they were available in the moment, right when your leaders and managers need them the most? That's what Worksmart delivers. Worksmart is the newest innovation from Wiley Everything DiSC. It's a living dashboard for managers designed to turn DiSC awareness into real-time action. It's flexible, on demand, and built around the real challenges managers and leaders face, like giving feedback that's heard, navigating conflict without friction, leading change with confidence, empowering others rather than micromanaging them, and keeping motivation strong even when times are tough. Each WorkSmart module is just 1 hour. They're bite-sized, practical, and ready for when your managers are. So whether it's part of a coaching session, a team meeting, a lunch and learn, or a moment of I need help right now, WorkSmart is there right in the flow of work. So if you believe in building a healthy, resilient culture for your teams, WorkSmart is how your managers can make it stick. Ready to see it in action? Let's talk.